everyone, how are you all? I hope all are doing good. I'm also good. At first, many thanks to YouTube for giving chance to share my thoughts. Do you know me? I'm Alamin. I'm from Bangladesh. Today, I want to talk about an important things. The winter season is very comfortable, but many pathogens beat the body at this time. They are especially common in cough and cold fever, so lot of people do not like this season. Today I will share with you some way to prevent cough. Let's know 6 tips. At first, drink at least 12 glasses of hot water a day. And number 2, you need to quit if you have to smoke habit and avoid smokers. And number 3, stop using mosquitoes drugs or spray. And number 4, you can chew 4 bay leaves every day. 5. Eat red tea at least 3 times a day by mixing ginger and pepper. At last, number 6. Eat 1 tablespoon of honey every morning before meals. We should eat regularly if you save cough. I hope you enjoy this video. No more today. Bye bye. Take care. See you again.